Hello dear students, welcome back to MS Excel class. Today we are discussing in MS Excel in insert menu the chart option. How to insert charts into your Excel worksheet. In a previous sections we discussed how to insert table and pivot table, and we discussed the illustration group. In that we have seen how to insert picture, clip art, shapes, smart art into Excel worksheet. Today we are seeing how to insert charts in MS Excel worksheet. Okay, here charts allows you to illustrate your workbook data graphically, which makes it easy to visualize comparisons and trends. Okay, here in Excel, there are several types of charts are there. Just see here, clicking on this create chart option from the insert menu, okay, it will launch the chart dialog box. You can choose different chart types here. Okay, by default the chart types are column chart. By default it will take as a column chart, but several charts are there here. Column chart. Okay, this column chart is used vertical bars to represent data. They can work with many different types of data. Okay, they are most frequently used for comparing information. Okay, this is your column chart. Next one is line chart. Okay, line charts are ideal for showing trends. These are line charts. The data points are connected with lines, making it easy to see whether values are increasing or decreasing over time. Okay, it will show the values are increasing or decreasing by the line. Okay, it is line chart. Next will be your pie chart. Okay, this is your pie chart. Pie charts make it easy to compare proportions. Each value is shown as a slice of the pie. So it's easy to see which values make up the percentage of a whole. Okay, it will show like slices, pie chart. Okay, percentage and all you can show through the pie chart. Okay, next is your bar chart. Bar charts work just like column charts only, but they use horizontal bars instead of vertical bars. Okay, in a column chart it is vertical. Here you can see. In a bar chart it is horizontal. Okay, this is your bar chart. Okay, it is horizontal. Next is area chart. Here you can see area chart. Area charts are similar to line charts only, except the areas under the lines are filled in. Okay, here in between the lines the areas will be filled with the colors. Okay, area chart. It is similar to line chart only. Okay, it will show increasing and decreasing values in an area chart. You can see the similar thing. Okay, next will be here XY scatter chart are there. It is with a smooth lines and markers. Okay, here you can data can be represented in points here. Okay, in a XY scatter chart, markers will be used in a scatter XY scatter chart. Okay, next stock chart is there. Here it's in the format of lines, stock chart. Then surface chart is there. In a stock chart, see here high, low and close. It will show open, high, low, close. Okay, that details you can represent in a stock chart. Surface chart. Okay, it is your surface chart. 3D surface, you can see here. Surface charts allow you to display data across a 3D landscape. They work best with large data sets, allowing you to see a variety of information at the same time. Okay, this one, surface chart. Next, you are having here donut chart. It is similar to your pie chart only, but it's in the shape of donut. Okay, the data will be represented in a different color bars, but it's in a circle. Then you are having here bubble chart. Okay, the data will be represented in bubbles. Okay, it's in a different colors of bubbles, and also it's in a with a 3D effect. The data you can show in a bubbles. Next is radar chart. Here in a radar chart, it will be just like a web. Okay, it will show the data like web only. Okay, web type structure will be there. Radar with the markers. Like similar way in a XY scatter chart, you are having markers. Like that only the data will be represented in markers here in a radar chart. Okay, these are the different charts. 11 types of charts you are using in MS Excel. Column chart, line chart, pie chart, bar chart, area chart, XY scatter chart, okay, stock chart, surface chart, donut chart, bubble and radar. 11 types of charts you are using in MS Excel. These charts we discussed in MS Word also. There also we have inserted different charts. Similar way in Excel also we are inserting charts here. Okay, now we can go how to insert a chart. Okay, that steps we will discuss. Just I'll close this one. See here, this is your insert menu. In that you are having different charts are displayed here also. Column chart, you can see, insert a column chart. Okay, its column charts are used to compare values across categories. You can see here also the charts. Okay, in line chart you can see here also. Pie chart, it will show here only. Otherwise you can go through the chart dialog box. In this insert chart is there. Okay, here from here you can select the first, you select the cells. Already, for example, I have typed here. Okay, this is admission report, year-wise admission report for different courses. Like you are having BCom course, BBA, BSW, BA. Okay, these are the courses which are running in a college. Okay, BCom, BBA, BSW, BA. For example, in MES college, we are running these courses, and year-wise, how the admission has taken. Okay, student, how they got admitted. Okay, that report we are showing in a chart. Okay, different charts you can use here. I am showing this one in column chart. Okay, just select the data first. Okay, this is the cells will be selected for which you want a chart. Select the cells. Okay, in this cells we have entered the data, so I have selected this cell. Now click on, I want to show it in a column chart, so column chart I am pressing. If you want 3D you can go for 3D. I am selecting 2D itself. Okay, whenever you click the 2D, automatically the chart will be displayed on the screen. Okay, just I am making here enlarge this one. You can see here it's showed in different colors. Okay, here you can see the chart. Okay, this is your chart. Here it's showing years in a horizontal x-axis and in y-axis it's showing the course names BCom, BBA, BSW and BA. Okay, this is your chart. Whenever you insert a chart, automatically the chart tools design tab will be displayed on the screen. This is your design tab. Here different chart layouts are there. Click on this each and every layout. You can see the difference. By default, this is your chart layout. You can try this one. See here, layout 1. Okay, it is your layout 1. Here, chart title is there. This side, chart title. These are called as legends. Okay, here the courses are there. This is year-wise information. Okay, this is one type of chart layout. You can click on this one. Here you got the difference here. The values here, these are called the values of the students. Okay, how many students got admitted. That values, these are called data labels that you can show on the chart itself. Okay, here the legends moved to horizontal. See here, BCom, BBA, it was in left side, automatically it is moved to right side, it was moved to horizontal here. Okay, again you can press layout 3. Okay, it shows in different way. Okay, you can try this one. What difference is there? You can see this one also. It is with the table, it's showing the chart. Okay, with the data table. This is your data table where you stored, where you have inserted on this cell. That you can show on the chart itself. Okay, this is one kind of chart layout. Okay, you can see different layouts here. Here with grid lines. Behind that, grid lines are there that you can show here. And axis title is there here. That also you can show. You can change according to your wish. You can change the layouts. Okay, I will select now layout 1. Okay, by default the layout 1 will be displayed. Excuse me. The layout 1 you can take here. Different chart layouts are there. Any chart layouts you can choose, but I have selected layout 1. Now I can change the layout of this chart based on my wish. Just click on layout option of the here toolbar. Click on layout. Here you can see all the chart options here. Okay, all chart option you can see. See here, axis. Here, first I am moving to axis here. Change the formatting and layout of each axis. Click on this primary horizontal axis. If I select none, it is none now. It's not displaying any axis information. Show left to right axis. Okay, here just below that no axis titles are there. Okay, I want now the year information. I can click on this axis. Primary vertical. Show default axis means automatically the default axis will be displayed. Vertical. Like I want default axis means the axis will be displayed default. Okay. If I press none, it won't display the axis. This one. Okay. It removed from that. I want axis, so show default axis. This one. This value also you can change in thousands, in millions, like that. But we have taken in hundreds. That also you can change here. See here, thousands, millions, billions, like currency and the rupees and any score. You can show it in a thousands, millions, billions, like that. Okay. Show default axis. It's enough for us. Okay. You can change the value also of the axis. Okay. And grid lines, horizontal grid lines, you want major grid lines. Okay, already it's there. You want minor also, you can choose. See the difference? The minor grid lines also displayed on the screen. You want only major, select major. Okay, this is major grid lines. Like that only vertical, you want major grid lines, you can select. Okay, you want minor also, you can select minor. Okay, it displays minor grid lines also. If you don't want any grid lines, you say none. Okay, you say none for the horizontal also. It won't display any grid lines. But I want the horizontal grid lines, so I am selecting here vertical also. You can select the grid lines. Okay, these changes you can do, axis changes. Again, here background for a plot area. This is your plot area. You can see the difference of plot area. Just select clear plot area fill. If I say clear plot area, it's not having any fill information. Show plot area with default or color fill. I will click on more plot area options. Okay, I will select. I want picture or a texture fill. See here automatically the difference you can see. The texture you can fill behind that. Okay, any texture, whichever you want, you can fill the texture. Okay, I want this one now. You can fill the texture. Okay, I want this one. I can choose. Okay, whichever texture you can fill with the picture also. You can fill with the clip art. If you are having any company logo, that also you can fill by choosing the picture. Okay, I will select now clip art. Any clip art you can choose as a background. If you are having any company logo, you can fill with this. Okay, I'm choosing this one. Any picture you can choose there. This is company logo. If I consider, I'll insert okay. That will be changing to clip art. Okay, if I don't want, I can say none, or I can choose different. Okay, that clip art will be inserted. But I want texture. Okay, I want texture. I'll select the texture. Okay, it will be filled with that. Okay, like this you can change. If you want to fill with a solid color, you can fill with the solid color. Okay, gradient fill you can choose, or picture or text you can fill, anything you can fill with this plot area. And you can change the border color also, border style also. If I choose border style like this, okay, and border color, if I want to change with the border color, just plot area. Here you choose border color with solid border styles. I increase the point. You can see the difference. Okay, like this you can change the border style, background, everything you can change. And data table. See, you want to show data table, you can press show data table. You can activate and deactivate. Show data table with legend keys, you can press. With legend key also, the data table will be displayed on the along with the chart. If you don't want, you say none. Okay, it won't display. Show data table with legend keys. Only show data table, that you can do with this data table option. Data labels. If you want to show the data labels on the chart, just you can press. See here, it is the data labels displayed on the chart in a center. Inside end, it will be in upper end. Inside base, okay, below it's showing. Outside end, okay, like this you can show the data labels. If you don't want to show, just you say none. Okay, like this you can say. You can do legend, show legend at right. It's showing at right. If you say legend at top, it's moved to top of that chart. Show legend at left, it's showing at left. Okay, you can change like this, bottom, but by default it will be right only. Okay, it will be right only. I will keep on right itself. Okay, here you can see clearly, and you can increase and decrease the size of the legend also here, and chart size also. Okay, you can make changes over here. From this also you can make changes. Okay, and access titles. Okay, see here, access title, none, do not display an access title, then you can press title below access, it will be displayed here. Okay, you can change this one, like you can show year, you can type there, you can change the access title. Okay, I'm changing it to year, like this you can change, and you can increase the font size also through the home. Okay, like this you can change. Okay, this is access title. And chart title you can change. Centered overlay. See here, you can change the chart title also. Above chart. Okay. And none, if you say, it won't display the chart title. But I want to change this chart title. Just I'm changing the chart title. Student admission report. Year wise. Student admission report. Okay, year wise. You can place like this. Okay, just I can increase the font size of this using home. Okay, like this you can make a changes over here. Okay, this is chart title, you can change. Okay, these are all the chart options, you can make changes over here. Just using this data, we created this chart. Okay, using this data. Same chart, same data, you can create your pie chart also. You can try that one. Okay, just I'll select this one. Okay, I'll click on insert chart here. I'll select pie chart. Just I'll choose this. Okay, it's showing like this. See here. Okay, here also whatever changes we have done, that you can do again using layout. You can press all the options here. It's not showing it's showing year wise, means like only BCom. It's in a pie chart, we are selecting only in a pie chart we have to take only 2 columns. I have selected all here, so it's showing like this. For pie chart you can take only year and only one course. Okay, it has taken only BCom year wise. Okay, year wise it's showing improvement. Okay, here student admissions are more. You can choose BBA, BSW, BA, like that. Okay, it has selected only pie chart. It's taking only 2 columns. Okay, year wise and BCom section result. Okay, here you can try whatever I have explained, all the chart title, legend, data labels. Okay, data labels you can display here. Okay, it's showing here. In a 1 year, 2018, it is 274. 2019 it is 299. Okay, here in a legends it's showing color, and here data labels are displayed on this chart. Okay, based on the data you can create different types of chart over here. Already we discussed 11 kinds of chart. Whichever chart you required, you can insert into your MS Excel sheet using your data table, and you can display the data table on the chart also. Okay, just listen carefully. What are the steps? First, you have to enter the data table, then select the data table, click on insert menu. Okay, in that you have to select insert chart. In that, several different kinds of chart are there. Whichever you want, you select, and through the design and layout option, you can change all the chart title, access titles, lesson, data labels, data table, axis, grid lines, plot area, everything you can make the changes. Okay, you try using data table, several data tables, and you try all the chart, different types of charts using this MS Excel. If you have PC at home or any laptop, just try these options and just see the steps which you are following. In an exam, they will ask, like for 15 marks, write all the chart types of your MS Excel. Okay, all the chart types. You have to see there all the chart types. Okay, here we have selected only the column chart and pie chart. They are asking all the types of charts. Then you have to draw this chart dialog box along with all the different types of charts, and you have to write just explanation and diagram of these charts. And sometimes they'll ask for 5 marks. Write the steps to insert chart. Any one chart they may mention. That chart you have to write steps how to insert a chart in your worksheet. Okay, that they may ask for 5 marks. Okay, you have to read all the steps. It's very easy. In Word also you have done the same thing, that you can try. Here we can change this chart style to 3D also. Okay, you can apply this chart styles to 3D effect also. See the difference. Okay, it's changed based on the color. You can change 3D effect also, you can show. For this also, 3D style also you can apply for the chart. Once you inserted, you can show it in a different way. And you can change all the chart titles, chart, everything you can change here. Data labels you can show, the headings you can change, lessons you can change, and you can display the data table also along with the chart. Everything you can do. You try with various different kinds of charts and try the steps what we have followed here. Okay, in the next class we are going to discuss about the text group, the text and links group, links and text. Okay, in next class we'll discuss this one. Okay, today I will end the class here, and you practice the same options. The notes will be given in a PDF format. You read the notes also. Okay, and be safe at home. Have a nice time.